This is a 2001 Ford F-350. It has a 7.3 Powerstroke in it, and last winter it was having problems starting. Now I did some diagnosing, and what I found out was that the relay that controls the glow plugs was bad. Now that relay sits right here. As you can see, there's a handful of wires that connect to it, and basically these go bad all the time. It's not, well, I should say all the time, but it's not uncommon for them to go bad, and basically you just need to replace them to repair them. Just a quick note, if you find yourself stranded or you really need to use your truck and it's really cold out and your truck will not start and you suspect this relay to be bad, you can take a large screwdriver and short these terminals out just before starting your truck. So if you put it in there, you're going to see it's going to spark. That's okay. You just basically want to hold this screwdriver on those terminals for a good 20 seconds or so, and this will simulate the glow plug relay being on. After about 20 seconds, you'll remove the screwdriver. As you can see, it'll spark again. That's okay. Get back in your vehicle and it should start. Replacing this relay is actually relatively simple. All you have to do is pull the nuts on top and remove the wires and just kind of keep note of where those wires are. There are a couple of bolts that hold the relay down. One is here and one is here. And as with any electronic device that you replace under the hood, it is best practice to disconnect the battery cables so you don't accidentally short something out. Now in my situation, I'm going to do what is a common upgrade for the 7.3, and that is to replace the factory relay with one that is substantially larger. And the recommended relay of choice is made by White Rogers, and the model number is 586902. If I can find a link to this, at least a good deal, I'll put it down below in the description, so you'll want to check that out in case you want to replace it with this. But the cool thing about this relay is, though it's substantially larger and made slightly different, it actually does line up with the original mounting posts on top of the engines. You just have to put it at a little bit of a slant, and we'll show you that here in a second. But you can see it lines up almost perfectly. The installation is literally a drop-in bolt and go. You do have to put it in at an angle to line up with the original mounting bolts, but that's okay. Everything clears okay. There's no modifications that you'll have to do, and just hook up your wires accordingly, which is pretty simple. There's just a couple of wires that trip the relay. They're the smaller ones, and the larger ones carry the load for the actual glow plugs themselves. Now, one thing worth mentioning is absolutely do not over tighten these bolts. In fact, the packaging tells you not to do so. It tells you to just snug them up. It actually puts in the correct tightness procedures. Basically what I've done is I just tightened them up till the washer compressed, the compression washer. I snugged up a little bit more and no more. So next, you just reconnect your battery terminals and give your truck a start. It should be good to go. This relay should last the lifetime of your vehicle. I'd be very surprised if it does not. It should be the last time you crawl up underneath your hood and replace this particular relay. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. I generally do a lot of do-it-yourself type projects, but every now and then I do a review. So take a look at some of my other videos and you might find something you yourself might want to build yourself.